Hello everybody, welcome to Hafsa's Lifestyle. Hope you all are doing great. So yesterday I'm here with another unboxing video. Let's unbox this amazing Redmi Pad SE. This site specification includes 98Hz FHD plus eye care display, 6nm Snapdragon processor, long-lasting battery, live quad speaker with Dolby Atmos. On the back you can see it's 3D RA approved if you are purchasing it from Amazon or Noon. This site specification includes its color, that's lavender purple, with 8GB RAM and 256GB ROM. What's included in the box and information related to the product. Now without a further delay, let's start its unboxing. With unboxing, let me tell you a little about this product. It's perfect device for all your banking, browsing, surfing and scrolling needs. It's an excellent entry-level tablet that offers comfortable audio-visual entertainment, stylish design and a satisfying overall experience. It has immersive 11 inches FHD display with 16.7 million colors. It's equipped with a powerful 6nm Snapdragon processor, high refresh and great display. Altogether, it gives you a fast and satisfying experience. So here I have opened the box, and on the top you can see the specification that I have just mentioned. You can again have a look at these features. So now let's keep it aside and see what comes in the box with it. Packaging of this Redmi Pad is very nice. Let's open first box and see what's in it. So here you can see warranty card and user manual guide, in which all the instructions are mentioned of how to use it. Let me also tell you guys that this pad has up to 1 TB of expandable storage. So overall my experience of buying this Redmi Pad was very nice. Here you can see the injecting tool that comes with it. And in this little box you can see its charger and charging cable. It's a 3-pin charger. And with it comes this Type-C cable. And this is all that comes in the box with it. And now let's move towards the Redmi Pad. It's very nicely packed to keep it safe and secure. Let's open up its seal and take it out. As I've already mentioned, that is lavender purple in color, but it gives shade of mint green as well. This Redmi Pad comes in 3 colors: black, mint green and lavender purple. At the back you can see its logo and camera. Down here you can see its charging port, microphone port and speaker. And on the other side you can see its power and volume button. I thoroughly enjoy my time using this Redmi Pad, watching my dramas on big screen instead of mobile. So here you can have a look at this Redmi Pad. And that's all about it from today's unboxing video. Hope you like it. If you did, do it a thumbs up, comment, share and subscribe. Till next time, take care and bye bye.